Hello everyone and welcome. Maintaining a healthy gut is crucial for overall health, as the gut plays a crucial role in digestion, the immune system, and even our mood. Nature provides a variety of red foods rich in antioxidant vitamins and vital nutrients that are beneficial for gut health. Here are 8 red foods that are particularly advantageous. Red bell peppers are vibrant vegetables that offer a range of health benefits. Besides being known for their distinctive flavor and color, they are an excellent source of vitamin C. Vitamin C plays a key role in strengthening the immune system, helping the body fight infections and diseases. Furthermore, this vitamin is also essential for collagen production, which is important for skin, hair, and joint health. But the benefits of red bell peppers don't stop there. They are also a great source of dietary fiber. Fiber is crucial for healthy digestion as it helps regulate bowel movements, preventing constipation and promoting regularity. Additionally, fibers can also play a role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and diabetes, by controlling blood sugar levels and cholesterol. So, including red bell peppers in your diet not only adds flavor to your meals, but also provides a significant boost to your health, strengthening your immune system and promoting healthy digestion. Pomegranates are remarkable fruits when it comes to health benefits. They are rich in antioxidant compounds like punicalagin and anthocyanins. These antioxidants play a vital role in protecting the digestive system. Punicalagin and anthocyanins have the ability to neutralize free radicals and combat oxidative stress in the digestive tract, helping to maintain a healthy intestinal lining and preventing cellular damage. Moreover, pomegranates are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. The ability of these antioxidants to combat oxidative stress also helps reduce inflammation in the digestive tract, which can be beneficial for people suffering from inflammatory bowel conditions like Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis. In addition to the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits, pomegranates are a rich source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C and potassium, which are essential for overall body health. So, including pomegranates in your diet can be a delicious way to promote digestive health and enjoy other wellness benefits. Red apples are a nutritionally rich choice that offers several health advantages. One notable feature of red apples is their high concentration of pectin, a water-soluble fiber. Pectin is known to play an essential role in promoting regular bowel movements. This soluble fiber forms a gel in the digestive tract, aiding in water absorption and softening of stools, crucial for preventing constipation and keeping the digestive system running efficiently. Furthermore, the pectin present in red apples also plays a crucial role in promoting a healthy gut microbiome. Soluble fibers like pectin serve as food for beneficial gut bacteria, helping to balance the gut flora and promoting overall digestive health. Having a healthy gut microbiome is associated with better nutrient absorption, as well as benefits for the immune system and even mood. So, incorporating red apples into your diet is a tasty way to provide your body with the pectin it needs to maintain intestinal regularity and cultivate a gut environment conducive to health. Raspberries. Raspberries are true allies of digestive health. These delicious fruits are notable for being rich in dietary fiber and ellagic acid. The dietary fibers present in raspberries are essential for promoting healthy digestion by helping to regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. Additionally, raspberries contain ellagic acid, an antioxidant that plays an important role in protecting the intestinal lining, helping to combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation in the digestive tract. Therefore, including raspberries in your diet is a delicious way to promote digestive health. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are known for their lycopene content, a powerful antioxidant that also helps neutralize oxidative stress in the digestive tract. Lycopene is particularly beneficial for gastrointestinal health as it can help prevent cellular damage and reduce the risk of certain diseases. Moreover, tomatoes are a source of soluble and insoluble fibers, which contribute to intestinal health in various ways. Soluble fibers aid in nutrient absorption and can help control blood sugar levels, while insoluble fibers assist in regulating bowel movements. Therefore, adding tomatoes to your diet not only provides antioxidant benefits, but also comprehensively promotes digestive health. Beets. Beets contain anthocyanins that combat free radicals and help maintain a healthy intestinal environment. They are also rich in soluble and insoluble fibers. Purple cabbage. Purple cabbage is a remarkable vegetable that offers a variety of health benefits. Its vibrant color is indicative of its rich content of anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that play an essential role in protecting the body against oxidative stress. In addition to its antioxidant function, anthocyanins have also been shown to promote gut health by helping to maintain a healthy intestinal lining and reducing inflammation in the digestive tract. Another important component found in purple cabbage is glucosinolates, which have the potential to prevent colon cancer. Studies indicate that these compounds may have anti-cancer properties, helping to inhibit the growth of cancer cells in the colon. This makes regular consumption of purple cabbage a healthy choice for protection against certain types of cancer, in addition to promoting overall digestive health. Therefore, incorporating purple cabbage into your diet not only adds color and flavor to your meals, but also offers significant health benefits, from promoting intestinal health to potentially preventing colon cancer. Strawberries. Strawberries are a delicious and healthy choice when it comes to fruits. They are rich in a variety of nutrients that offer significant health benefits. Strawberries are an excellent source of vitamin C, which plays a key role in strengthening the immune system and promoting skin health. Furthermore, strawberries are rich in dietary fiber, which is essential for healthy digestion. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements, preventing constipation and promoting regularity. It also contributes to maintaining blood sugar levels and providing a feeling of fullness. Additionally, strawberries contain valuable antioxidant compounds such as quercetin and ellagic acid. These antioxidants are effective at neutralizing oxidative stress in the body, which can help protect the intestinal lining and reduce inflammation in the digestive tract. Therefore, adding strawberries to your diet not only adds flavor and sweetness to your meals, but also offers a range of health benefits, from promoting digestion to protecting the digestive system against oxidative stress. Incorporating these red foods into your diet can be beneficial for your gut health, promoting healthy digestion, protecting against oxidative stress, and maintaining a balanced gut microbiome. Be sure to maintain a balanced and varied diet to obtain all the necessary nutrients for optimal gut health. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.